It's only going to go for 4 minutes though. 56 seconds.
You recording?
Mm-hmm.
This is with my slime.
What did you do?
I looked up how to make slime with toothpaste.
Guys, I'm gonna go get Brittany's phone. Guys, it won't start up, so we gotta try and find our own way to make this terrible list.
Did I say I looked up on YouTube? Because I did.
That's what I did.
I was watching slime videos.
Maybe it's because of this Jack and Jill toothpaste.
That's the toothpaste what I use. And look at this. I promised Mom that I would do the dishes if I
Oh shoot. It's not what I want. You know, if we make this video at 2K. If you had your phone, we can make this video. We can make a video with the 2 thing that shows you. We have different names for the same thing that we're going to do.
You guys, do you know what my name is? It's PJ Unicorn Pictures.
I'm going to try and make it. Let me try and make it. Also,
Oh, there's no more left in there.
this is a terrible thing to make.
There's no more left.
Put this on a great angle.
There's no more toothpaste left. Oh god, it smells disgusting. Help me.
Do not try this at home. Yeah. How are we supposed to brush our teeth now?
We've got other toothpaste.
Where?
In the bathroom.
Let's go get it.
No,
I'm not going to use it all like you. Jeez. Guys, it's usually the toothpaste stuff before I did, because I have completely missed it. I don't know, comments if you found it before me. Oh. It's okay, it's only going to be a tiny bit.
No. I'm afraid it's too hot. Oh, it's hot. It's freaking hot.
Oh, there's none in this either. Feel it for yourself. Well, this turned in from a slime video to this.
But it's very hot.
Bunny, you're gonna do the test.
It's too hot to do the test.
But then it's not slime. Alright, we only have a couple minutes left.
Okay, so can you guys see what I'm doing?
Poke.
Poke. Micah, get out there.
Alright, we don't have that much time left.
Holy shit, it's
Fold.
hot.
Yeah, it can do the fold.
Yeah.
Now, the stretch. I can't do it.
Hot.
I cannot do it because one hand, the other one's using. It's kind of see it.
Okay, let's see the stretch.
Nope, it's not slime. We'll just use the
Micah!
stuff. And guys, the video's about to end, so let's do an outro. I do not watch this. Just a